Question number 20. An initial stationary firework explodes and splits into two fragments that moves horizontally in opposite directions. You have a big firework which splits into two fragments, okay, and then the total kinetic energy transferred to fragments is explosion is E, okay. The total energy is given. One fragment has a mass m, other fragment has a mass 2m, which means one fragment moves like this, the other fragment should move like this. Why did I write opposite? The reason is because conservation of momentum. What is the speed of the fragment m immediately after the explosion? Okay, momentum is conserved, which means let us say this is moving at a velocity v1, this is moving at a velocity v2. So I can now say mv1 should be equal to 2m times v2. M cancels. I can say v1 should be equal to 2 times v2. What is he asking? Speed of the fragment of m. So we have got it right? No, we have to get something like this over here. Okay, so towards it. Now what is the kinetic energy? It says the total kinetic energy after the explosion C. So I will now write half m v1 square plus half into 2m into v2 square is equal to E, right? That's the total energy. So I've taken the energies of the individual masses, which should now be equal to, I take half m into v1 square. I'll substitute this. Now what do I need? I want v1 only, right? So I'll just retain v1 square as such, v1 square, and instead of v2 I'll substitute this. I'll substitute as a 2 into v1 square divided by 4 is equal to E, right? So when I do this, so what do I get here? This implies, okay, this implies, so we'll multiply this by 2. So I'll get v1 square plus, now 2 ones are 2 2s are. So v1 square plus v1 square by 2 will be 3v1 square by 2 will be equal to this 2 cross multiply, or maybe I'll retain it like this only. This will be m by 2 into so much is equal to E. Or other words, what I can do is I can now write this as this is 3m v1 square divided by 4 is equal to E. I want v1 here, right? v1 square should be equal to 4e divided by 3m, okay, or v1 should be equal to square root of 4e divided by 3m, which is the right answer. 4e by the root of 4e by 3m is option D, okay.